welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing Serj from Sister of a Down's makeup. I'll just show quickly my inspo here, so that's also my artwork. So that kind of makeup I'll be doing today. This is a simple makeup, so easy. Other people on the internet, I noticed, they also did their own take on the Sugar music video. So before I do any makeup, I'm going to do a little bit of spa therapy time. These cute foot masks, you get like a pair, 10 minutes, there's like steps, you just gotta like put them on your feet. So I'm going to do that today. And so as my feet are getting moistured in the mask, I'm going to do this face mask. It's like green and goopy. I just thought it looked really creepy. It looked like seaweed. So I'm going to try that. It's a cucumber infused mask. So those are the two things I'm going to do for spa. And oh, before I forget, I want to make a pie too, because do you remember there was like a part in that music video, Sugar, when they're like aspartame kills like this cherry pie. So I'm gonna make a cherry pie. This would be good, interesting. And let's just go over some of the looks I found. So here's Serj. It's interesting how he trying to get the glare in the. Yeah, there he is. You can see him in his look, his necklace, and his eyes. And then there's like got the American flags. That's the Sugar. And they have interesting makeup too. I would like to touch on this. There's the boys. Yeah, they're making. That's another look he did, Serj, with his makeup. Yeah, they're really good, creative. There they are again. Yeah, there's more makeup. Serj's makeup. There's like Egyptianish look. Yeah, they did a really good Darren. There he is again. That's some interesting like makeup. Yeah, I found some really good photos. They're hard to find. There's this Cleopatra makeup. That's the look I'm doing today. Yeah, like other people on the internet have done his look, and they did a really good job, so I'm just going to try to stick to traditional. And his hair is curly. I was thinking, if I'd like to combine looks, maybe I'll do his classic look, but then I'm thinking it'd be fun to do because I like his little ponytail. And he's got like the beading all across with blue eye makeup. Yeah, a lot of people have done both of their makeups. Besties. There he is in the leopard print. His ponytail, bleach. I think I got doubles. Yeah, there's another one. Crazy. They look really good. They went all out. He has like a dolly necklace. You can't really see that. It's like a doll necklace he's wearing, choker, with blue eye makeup, purple hair, like genie. He looks like a little bit of a genie. And there he is again. His doll necklace. Yeah, that's the look today. Serj. And then him and Tech9 did a video together. And I just took some screenshots of them. They had like quotes like Jesus and like Buddha, like all these Instagram tweets. And then shows them like together in church. Tech 9, he's like a priest, and then Serj is like in charge of like the piano and the music, and then that's them. He's like at the pulpit or whatever. Tech 9 and Serj is like carrying the sermon, and there they are together. It's strange, and there's like a drink. Happy face people. They have these masks and they're taking the drink, like it's this black drink. And then they got like money, Christianity. And they take the black goo. And there's Tech 9 drinking that goo. And there they are like hanging out. Yeah. And mask falls down, and there's more quotes. But yeah, that was my research for the Serj. But I'm gonna dig into this. So I'll let you take a little peek at what that's gonna look like. Alright, I'm back, and okay, so my feet, I still need a little bit more time on my foot mask, but this is done. I'm just going to reveal it. Tell me what you think. Yeah, it kind of made my skin a bit more like cheerful. I'm gonna put this on here so you can kind of see how creepy it is. Yeah, I liked it. It was nice. It felt like Jello. Like if you let the air get at the Jello, like it gets a layer of that thick gelatin on top. Yeah, it didn't really stay. I'm glad I used my headband. So these kind of like gelatin face masks, you really need like a headband to keep it on from falling. But it's probably best to use these kind of masks when you're like laying down and relaxing. But now I'm gonna make some pie. So now that my face is, let it all soak in, and then my feet, get that all. Alright, I'll see you in a few seconds. Okay, so it is a graham cracker crust. So I'm gonna put that in, put it in the oven, and see what happens. Now this pie I don't think has aspartame. This filling, I think this company is pretty good. Yeah, they have everything. Facebook. Real sugar. Sugar. But I don't see aspartame. Nope, we're in the clear. There's no aspartame in this. I hope it's enough to fill this out. Alright, so I'm back. I'm ready for the makeup. I'm gonna. So that's what I'm gonna go for. Plus maybe some karaoke. To achieve this look too, I got a little beard. I'm gonna put this like his beard, and then the eyebrow. And then these like dots, or like those dots. And then I'm gonna be using this to blood effects. Like the red, make it more like spooky and bloody. And then I got my crayon. Of course, my rag just in case. So let's just get this started. That's basically it. Next I'm going to do some karaoke. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I have the beard here, but I don't think I'm going to put it in the karaoke video just because it's hard to sing with this, but I'll just show you kind of what it would look like. There. And the eyebrow. But I think it just looks good like this. Anyways, I'm gonna do some karaoke. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, System of a Down. Maybe I'll do another member of the band next time. Alright, take care, and so next I hope to do Orion Slave Girl from Star Trek. Yeah, that's gonna be interesting. Alright, take care. Fights and some lonely, lonely nights. Lord, it didn't feel too right. Wanna reach a higher height. Sun is sinking like a stone, and it hurts to be alone. And it's the finest thing I know. So won't you wake me up when you get home? Turn the lights on, baby, before you lie down, baby. Turn the lights on. Turn the lights on, baby, before you lie down, baby. Turn the lights on. Turn the lights on, baby, let the shine on, baby. Turn the lights on. Turn the lights on, baby, turn the shine, baby. Turn the lights on, yeah. And if you're sleeping like a log, just wake me up and I'll be your dog. the lights down, baby, before you lie down, baby, turn the lights off. Turn the lights down, baby, before you lie down, baby, turn the lights off. Turn the lights down, baby, when you lie down, baby, turn the lights on. Turn the lights on, baby, turn the lights on.